Hello, it's Tuesday the 2nd. I'm FxPlew and this is the first market brief of Q2. And Governor Bailey's been on. He had some conditions that he needed to see before a rate cut could take place. However, where inflation does not need to be at their 2% target, the prospect now of a June rate cut is gaining traction. Wage inflation does remain a concern for the MPC though. Inflationary pressure is still lurking in the background due to the time it takes for higher wages to work through the system. They will no doubt be keeping an eye on the employment reports, hoping to see average earnings continue to follow headline inflation a little lower. Sunak has been on, where he continues to bang the drum about the improving economy. Personally, I thought it might be his idea of an April Fool's joke. Call it manifestation if you will, call it blind hope if you want, but where the economy will be the central pillar to his election campaign, those improvements need to be a little bit more obvious. But increases to minimum wages and to several benefits go live in April, and where they retain the triple lock, the state pension will increase by 10% this month. Meanwhile, over in the US, Powell refuses to be drawn on when the first rate cut will happen stateside, and the market seems to be accepting the fact the Fed is in no hurry to cut rates. And indeed, why should they, when the economy remains pretty robust and new job creation remains pretty buoyant? Until inflation is confirmed on a path lower, there really is no reason to rush. Payrolls data is due out on Friday and that'll give an update there. The forecast is for another 200,000 new jobs, and of course we'll be having a sweepstake. But barring any significant revisions, it looks like we'll have had about 600,000 new jobs created in Q1. In the market, sterling had a fairly quiet lead up to Easter, closing out around 126.25. The dollar index continued its recent recovery last week, and where the US did not have a bank holiday like us Brits yesterday, unlucky, the dollar index peaked at 105.05. We kick off this morning around 125.45 against the dollar, 116.95 against the euro, and we're about 107.25 for euro dollar on the open this morning. That's it from me. Have a great day.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FxPlew.